Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand a placement practice question. So this question is about check birth date. So the program is given a birth date and the program is going to compare that birth date and it is going to decide whether it is going to return. So that program has to return if the comparison is true, it has to return 1. Means it has to return true, or if it is false means the comparison is false means it has to return false. So return true if given date is July 5th. So if the date is July 5th, this program has to return true, else it has to return false. False means 0. So what this program states is, so here what is this is the these are the parameters. It is a char star month. So this is a pointer which points to the character, and this is day. Day means it is 5th will get passed to it, number 5 will get passed to it, and here we are using string comparison. Here we are using a function called string comparison. The concepts of string functions has been clearly explained in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch them, because the understanding of the way in which those functions will work is very important for you to solve these kind of problems. So generally what we will do is, so this string comparison function, because the value stored in month is equal to July, so it will return 1. Generally we think that this is how the things will work, and day is equal to 5, both are equal, and the problem with this function, the problem with this program is, instead of, so here OR functionality is used, both should be true. So the month should be July and the day should be 5th. Both should be true. If both are true, then it has to produce an output of 1. So return 1. So this part will get executed, return 1 will be returned back. If both of them are false or any one of them is false means, so it is going to return an output of 0. Generally we think that this is the problem, means instead of OR operator we have to use AND operator. So this is how we think that, and we think that this is the problem that we have with this program, and we will change this OR operator to AND operator, but things will not work. So what is the problem? What is the problem is, string comparison function will return, if the comparison is true, it is going to return an output of 0. This string function, this string comparison function, if both of them, this is the variable month and this is July, this is the string, so both will get compared. If both of them are equal, this string function, comparison function, is going to produce an output of 0. Okay, an output of 0 will get produced. So what we have to do, so here it is going to be 0 if the month is equal to July. If the month is not equal to July means, then it is going to produce an output of true. Okay, so this is true and this is true. Other than July, everything will be true. So what we have to do here is, so as it is going to produce an output of 0 if the month is equal to July, so we have to equal this string function to July. So this entire statement will rewrite this here. It is str comparison, string comparison. We are going to do month, variable month is compared with compared with comma string called July. So this comparison is done, and the output of this function is going to be compared with 0. Okay, so this is all there, and here we are going to have AND operator, and in this AND operator we are going to have day is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the entire if condition. Okay, so this is our entire this one, and if you put this in the brackets, Okay, so what happens here? Here what happens is, if the month is equal to July, so if it is true, this string comparison function is going to produce an output of 0, and if this 0 is equal to this 0, if it is going to produce an output of 0, and by this comparison it is going to produce an output of 1. Now this is true. And if day is equal to 5, then it will produce an output of 1. If both of them are true, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. Okay, so if this entire thing is 1, this function is going to return an output of 1, else it is going to return an output of 0. So this is the point that you have to understand. So for this understanding, at that point of examination, we should know the concept very well. So we have discussed all the C programming concepts clearly in 120. We have taken nearly 110 to 120 videos where all these concepts are clearly explained. Please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.